Ever wondered how much dividend income you could squeeze out of a $10,000 investment? Well, stick around because today, we're diving deep into the surprising world of dividend returns. Welcome to Wealthway, your money guide. And if you're all about securing that financial bag, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Alright, picture this. You've got $10,000 sitting there, just waiting for the right move. Retirement's knocking on your door, and you're eyeing that 10 grand, wondering, what kind of magic can I make happen with this? Well, buckle up because we're about to dive into the fascinating world of dividends. And let me tell you, it's a journey worth taking. Ever ask yourself, what could 10 grand really do for my retirement dreams? Brace yourself for a revelation, my friend. It's not just a spare change we're talking about. The potential is much more exciting than you might have ever imagined. Get ready for a mind-blowing exploration of how that $10,000 might just become your ticket to financial freedom, courtesy of dividends. Trust me, the numbers are about to surprise you. 1. The S&P 500. Let's kick things off by diving into the tried and true territory of the S&P 500. Sure, it won't transform you into an overnight millionaire, but don't underestimate its power. Picture this: a diversified portfolio with the backing of 500 stable companies, each doing its part to contribute to your financial dreams. It's like having a reliable team on your side. Now, before you start wondering if it's all roses, let me throw in a twist. Those tech giants. Yep, they're part of the S&P 500 family, bringing a touch of innovation and unpredictability to the mix. So we're not just talking about any old investment. It's a journey with surprises. And we're about to unravel the story of how this index might just play a crucial role in your financial saga. Now, don't let the term modest yield dull your excitement. The S&P 500 is more of a slow and steady companion, not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a reliable workhorse in the world of investments. With those 500 companies doing their thing, it's time to dissect how much your 10 grand can churn out of this diversified investment haven. 2. High dividend funds. Now, let's shift gears and talk about a real game changer. High dividend funds. Picture this: the Invesco S&P 500 High Dividend Low Volatility ETF, a true rock star of dividends, offering a mouth-watering 4% yield. We're not talking spare change here. We're talking about a steady stream of income that could make a real difference. Hold on to your financial hats because this fund could turn that 10 grand into a cash flow you hadn't even dared to dream of. So, if you're looking for an investment that doesn't just play the field but excels in the game, this high dividend fund might just be the star player you've been searching for. 3. Sector funds. Now, let's zoom in a bit and talk about sector-specific funds. The secret sauce for those aiming at higher returns. Imagine this: energy or real estate, your pick. Take the Vanguard Energy ETF or the Vanguard Real Estate ETF, for instance. These sector-focused funds can turn that $10,000 of yours into a steady monthly cash flow. Energy, with its slightly risky charm, or real estate, with dividends flowing like a river, offers a targeted approach to maximize your returns. It's like having a tailor-made investment strategy to fit your financial goals snugly. So, if you're looking to amplify the impact of your 10 grand, these sector funds might just be the secret weapon you didn't know you needed. But hey, before you dive headfirst into these specific sectors, it's worth noting that the game is a bit different here. It's not just about buying stocks, it's about understanding the unique dynamics of these sectors. So whether you're drawn to the energy boom or the stability of real estate, a bit of research can go a long way. 4. Individual stocks. Now, let's switch gears and talk about playing the stock market like a pro, handpicking individual stocks. Imagine being in control, steering the ship of your financial destiny. Welcome to the world of dividend aristocrats, the royalty of dividends. Take ABV for instance, boasting a solid 4.5% dividend. Yes, it might require a tad more research and attention, but the potential returns could be well worth the effort. With individual stocks, you're not just a spectator, you're an active player in the financial game. So if you're up for the challenge and ready to roll up your sleeves, let's explore the realm of individual stocks and how they could turn your 10 grand into a powerhouse of potential returns. But, and there's always a but, before you dive into the stock picking frenzy, remember it's not for the faint of heart. The stock market can be a wild ride, and individual stocks come with their own set of risks. So, as we unravel the story of dividend aristocrats and the potential they hold, keep in mind that the thrill of individual stocks comes with a side of responsibility. 5. Growth stocks. Now, let's talk about the real deal, investing in growth stocks. Forget about dividends for a moment and focus on the potential for exponential returns. We're talking about a 2% difference in annual return rates. And that can mean a significant boost in your pocket when retirement comes knocking. Growth stocks are like the race cars of the investment world, zooming ahead and accumulating wealth at a rapid rate. So if you're in it for the long game, and the idea of a more substantial financial reward down the road appeals to you, then growth stocks might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. But, and here's the twist, growth stocks come with their own set of quirks. They can be more volatile, like a roller coaster that's thrilling but not for everyone. So, before you jump on the growth stock bandwagon, it's essential to weigh the risks and rewards. Consider it the adrenaline rush of the investment world, not for the faint of heart but potentially life-changing. 6. Growth ETF. Now, let's talk about a growth stock game plan that's a bit more hands-off. The Growth ETF. Take Vanguard's VUG for example, loaded with giants like Apple and Amazon. Sure, the dividends might not be stealing the show, but the growth potential is off the charts. This isn't about spare change. It's about planting seeds for a financial forest that'll grow and flourish over time. With a growth ETF, it's like having a diversified garden of growth stocks, each contributing its magic to the overall bounty. This is ideal for those with the patience to let their investments marinate and grow into something substantial. So, if you're thinking long-term and aiming for a portfolio that outshines the market, a growth ETF might just be the financial wizardry you need. Don't fall into the dividend yield trap too early. With $10,000 in your pocket, focus on growth and watch your investments skyrocket. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Wealthway. We hope you found the tips and tricks shared here valuable for your financial journey. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated with our latest uploads. Feel free to ask any questions or share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep striving for success, and remember, your wealth awaits.